Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove emoji from our photo using PicsArt. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my PicsArt application on my mobile phone. And then I'm going to create a new project on PicsArt. So I'm going to click on this plus icon. And then we're going to choose a photo we want to remove the emoji from. And for example guys, I'm going to remove emoji from this photo. Okay, I'm going to remove these emoji. Okay, and if we want to remove something from our photo using PicsArt, we need to use the remove feature. You can go to the remove feature right here, and basically guys, you can use this feature to remove unwanted object from your photo. And since today we're going to remove emoji, so I'm going to use this feature to remove emoji from my photo. Okay, we can select the brush size like this. I'm just going to make it smaller, and don't forget to activate AI remove to make the result better. And once you're ready to remove it, you just need to select something you want to remove. And as you can see, I'm still selecting the emoji to be removed from the photo. Okay, and then we can click on remove. Okay, and just hold on guys, the AI will work for us. Okay, and now as you can see guys that the emoji has been removed from my photo, and you can see the result. It looks very natural, and then it's so clear, but you need to remember that the emoji can't be removed perfectly if the emoji is on, for example, on the face or on the part which has unclear background. Okay, you need to remember that. It will works perfectly if the emoji is in the clear area, like this area. Okay guys, and once you're ready to save it to your gallery, you can click on this check mark, and then you can click on this icon to get the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove emoji from photo using PicsArt. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!